Rimark range, a complete range of high-quality self-adhesive films for computer plotting. Monomeric, polymeric, cast metallic films, etched glass series for decorations requiring a simulated etched glass effect. We recommend stripping immediately after cutting the lettering. If too much time has elapsed between cutting and stripping, and if the room temperature is too high, this process may become more difficult. The best weeding results are achieved using a steady pulling action at an angle close to 30 degrees. Unroll the application tape on the worktop, adhesive side up. Without applying any pressure, place the vinyl, with the graphic facing down, onto the application tape. Press the back of the release paper with a rigid spatula, exerting vigorous and constant strokes from the center towards the edges. Turn the substrate over. The application tape is now on the top. The entire substrate surface has to be thoroughly cleaned before applying the adhesive decal, even if it may look clean. The room temperature and temperature of the substrate must be between 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius, and 95 degrees Fahrenheit, 35 Celsius, for all Rimark self-adhesive films. The decoration of surfaces that have recesses require the use of Rimark self-adhesive cast series of films and applied using the dry application method. The use of the application tape will allow an even application of the adhesive film by allowing it to stick to the outer parts, avoiding pre-sticking on the recess. Position the decoration with the help of magnets and secure it with adhesive tape. Remove the tape on one side. Turn over half the decal and fold loosely over the still secured other half. Remove the backing and cut it along the central tape. Apply the decoration made from the Rimark cast using the dry method on the entire surface required to be decorated. Press the decal with a squeegee onto the underlying surface at an angle of approximately 20 degrees. During the application, ensure that the decal is held steadily by keeping it away from the surface and only allowing the film to come into contact with the surface once it's been pressed with the squeegee. Avoid any pressure on the film, which could lead to the formation of creases and blisters. Apply the film to the outer surfaces, avoiding to press it near the recesses. Cut the entire decoration along openings such as doors. Remove the application tape as previously described. Warm up the cast film with a hot air blower. Air temperature approximately 393 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 Celsius. Distance of 0 to 13.78 inches, 0 to 35 centimeters. The adhesive film should be kept at a temperature of approximately 60 degrees Celsius. Shape the film by pressing with a finger into the deepest area inside the drawing using a gloved hand. Heat up again. Press the film with even movements in order to push the air outwards, and repeat the procedure with the parts that are not yet in touch with the surface by pressing the film with even movements in order to push the air outwards. Pierce any air bubbles with the tip of a pin and press the air out, ensuring the film is not deformed. The application upon recesses can cause serious tension in the applied film. The entire decoration should be thermally stabilized in order to guarantee the optimum performance and life. In order to eliminate tension on the applied vinyl, heat up evenly all areas of the Rimark cast decoration which underwent shaping by using a hot air blower, approximately 1202 degrees Fahrenheit, 650 degrees Celsius, at a distance of 5.9 to 7.87 inches, 15 to 20 centimeters, until a surface temperature of about 194 degrees Fahrenheit, 90 degrees Celsius is obtained.